Which animal attack are you most likely to survive? One's angry for no reason, one's built like a tank, and one just wants you to leave him alone. Most people can relate to this. If you happen to encounter a grizzly, your best move is to just play dead. And just hope it's not feeling curious that day. If it's a hippo and you're in the water, it's basically game over. It's not much different on land either. And it's finally time to greet the gorilla. He could crush you in one move, but he'd rather not. Just don't lock eyes and walk away. Like your dad when he's arguing with your mom. And now you know.